Hello, Elaine from Elaine's Creations here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Autumn Greetings bundle. So for this card I used a little bit different color, the Coastal Cabana color, because I wanted to kind of change it up a little bit. I also used the Plaid Tidings DSP. It's currently on sale now for 15% off. And here's the Autumn Greetings bundle. I love it because it's got this beautiful spray of flowers with a little pumpkin and some wheat on it. It's got this little pumpkin and this really pretty script font as well. And then the dies have these gorgeous edgelets as well as little, I think this is wheat, and then these extra pumpkins as well. So here are our little pumpkins that we're gonna put together. We're gonna glue those pieces on. And here's all our pieces of wheat. We've got them in crumb cake and garden green. So I'm gonna flip all of these over as well because we're gonna glue all of those. And we're gonna attach our Plaid Tidings to our Coastal Cabana. And I've also got the In Good Taste Designer Series paper, and that is on sale as well for 15% off. So there are 15 Designer Series papers on sale for 15% off. Kind of cool. So I'm just going to attach this one as well. To some early espresso, and I love this wood grain. They have like 3 or 4 different wood grain types in the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. And I've got a sheet of new dimensionals here, which is fun. So I'm going to put lots of dimensionals on this card. Put some here, some there, put some on my pumpkins, and we're going to do some embossing. So I'm going to adhere these to the card first, and then we'll glue everything down. And we'll do some embossing. So we're gonna place this down. And then I like this tilted, so I went ahead and just tilted it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get some glue on everything. So I trimmed a couple of these. I trimmed this one right here and this one right here. So trim those down again. And then I'm gonna get some glue on this one. Just go ahead and put it all the way down here. Being a little bit generous with the glue here. But just want to get it all set up here. And then I'm going to get some glue on all of these, flip these over. And it's nice to do a little variety of colors on your wheat. Got some crumb cake, like I said, and we've got some garden green. And I'll put the crumb cake down first because it contrasts more with the plaid that I've got here with the pretty peacock color. So we'll put some over here, put that down a little bit further. And then lastly, I'll put some over here. And then I'll get some of this garden green in here on top. Put some in the middle over here, on top here. And then I'll put some over here. And then it looks like the pumpkin stuck to me. So we'll get that pumpkin on. And then we'll do pumpkin over here. And so these are the two large pumpkins. There's a large pumpkin and a small pumpkin. Okay, and while these are kind of drying up, I'm gonna go ahead and emboss. So I've got my embossing powder here, and I've got my Versamark right here. And here's my stamp that I'm gonna stamp. So I've got my Versamark really nice and juicy, inked up. So I'm just gonna stamp this at the bottom here, and I'll trim it off later. So I'm gonna stamp that nice and equally. And then we'll get some powder on it. And we'll just tap that. And then we'll go ahead and use some tweezers. And I'm gonna move this out of the way and cover up my Versamark here. And, uh-oh. Go like that. And we'll heat this up and melt the powder. Okay, then we will trim this off with a little mini trimmer. So about here. And we'll trim a little bit off this side. About right there. And maybe some over here too. Okay. And then we've got dimensionals for the pumpkins. We've got some adhesive for this piece. And then we'll put our pumpkins here and here. And we'll go like this. And there is our card. So I am doing a class on the Autumn Greeting Bundle. So it includes 2 of these cards, 2 of these, and 2 of these. If you're interested in purchasing this class, it's $25, or you can get it for free if you place the order by going to my website and entering the October hostess code. Just send me an email and let me know that you would like the Autumn Greetings class kit, and I will send that out to you for free. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can catch all my videos, including the other 2 videos on my Autumn Greetings bundle. Thanks so much, and see you next time. Bye.